Hello, in this video I will make an overview of the e-learning website, of the front end of the site, and then on the next video I will make an overview of the dashboard of the e-learning website, so you are familiar with both of the sites, the front end and the back end, the admin dashboard. Okay, so now we're on the home page of the front end. I am logged in, and that's why you see this bar, this admin bar here. This will be visible only to the admin, not to the customers on the or the other users on the site, so it will be visible to you. What we can see here is we can see the name of the site. I'm using the demo site now at this moment to make the video. So from here you can go to dashboard. If you click it, you can customize the front end, the theme, but the front end, I will explain later more about this. Here you see the updates, the available updates. There is one available update. Here you can see the comments, if there are comments actually. If you have posts and blogs and you have posts, people can comment. If there are comments, you can see here. Here you can click new and see what you can create. You can edit the page. Each page if you click edit page, it will edit the page. Edit with Elementor. This page, the home page, is built with Elementor page builder plugin, and if you click edit with Elementor, you can edit, I just show you fast, on every page that is built with Elementor, you will see on the top the option edit with Elementor. On the pages are not built with Elementor, you will not see that. It takes some time to load. Okay, almost done. Alright, so here you see now that you can edit the page. You can edit, for example, the text. You can make, okay, you see. You can edit anything, the images, the courses, how it looks like. Everything is edited with Elementor. When you, I will have a video exactly for this Elementor page builder, so I will not show anything now on this video. When you make changes, you click update. Okay, so we will go back now to the home page to make the overview of the site. Next we have this icon here. You will see is the Yoast SEO plugin. Is the plugin we use for the SEO of the site. And then we have the membership. It shows here the membership. If you have paid for the premium package, you have also affiliate setup and membership setup. So here you see the membership. You will edit also from the admin area, from the dashboard, but it shows some things on the admin bar for accessing them faster. Okay, so on the main site now, here on the logo, if you click the logo, it brings you in the home page, like in the page that we are now, and we have the courses. I will go one by one on this. First I will show you the home page. So here there is a search bar. You can search for courses. Then there shows some courses available. It shows title, if there is rating, how many people are registered, how many students are registered on this course, what is the duration of this course. Here has the logo of the author and the name of the author. If you have completed the course, it says download certificate. If not, add to cart. Okay. If you click on a course, then it brings you in the single page, in the page of the single course, and it has the title. It has also the rating, so the category that this course belong. Here there is a overview preview video actually that you can see about this course before you register, so your students will see a preview video. Here shows some details, the level of this course, how many are enrolled, duration again, if you can have certificate, again some info, tags about this course, again some info here, and who is the instructor, and here you can see the curriculum, which is the topics, and each topic has a lesson. Okay, you see that each topic has some lessons. These premium courses, the 11 premium courses, have many lessons each topic, but the rest of the courses, each topic has one lesson. Okay, so you see here there is a lock icon. It means that you cannot access this course if you are not paid, but on these premium courses I have given the option. You see there is not a lock here. If you have the premium, actually if you have the pro version of the Tutor LMS plugin, it gives you the option to give the option to your students, to your visitors, to preview some lessons before they register. This is also Udemy is doing this, so it's very good. People like to preview the course before they pay for it, before they register. So these 4 lessons are free, for example, in this course. The rest are locked. You need to pay, you need to register to watch them. You can add it on the wish list and share. Okay, this is the single course page. You see here there is the videos are hosted on YouTube, but you cannot access them. The player on the site does not allow you to access the courses. Okay, so nobody will visit the YouTube channel. So don't worry about this. Continue, go to the home page again. So here I said we have the courses, and then if you want to watch all, to see all courses, if you click it, you go to the shop actually, and here you have some filters you can have by category, okay, or by level, beginner, intermediate, expert. Almost all the courses are for beginners, free or paid. We have only paid courses at this moment, and you can search here for a course, and also you can filter here the release date, newest first, oldest first, or by the course title, A to Z or Z to A. Okay, then go back to homepage. Then I have a section where you can add promo banners, so you can promote whatever you want using the site to make money as an affiliate. Okay, I have set this place and you can promote whatever you want. I have a video about the Elementor page builder that will show you how to edit, how to change the banners here and add your own banners. Then we have some testimonials. The names are not true, but the testimonials are true. So I have added the real testimonials on the site, but not the names. And next section is become an instructor. It is very good to have other people uploading courses to your site and become instructors to your site. So if they have sales of their courses, you can share the income. You can get 30%, for example, and they can get the 70%. Udemy is doing that. Udemy is getting 40% of each sale on the courses. You can get, I think 30% is good, is fair for the instructor. So you can have multiple instructors to upload their courses, and you can create a big marketplace by doing that. Okay, so who is interested to become an instructor can click here and register as an instructor. You can approve or reject the application as an admin. And then the last section on the homepage is asking the people to subscribe to the list and get 90% discount on the first course. I think that is very good because people can get a course, create new customers, we make some money, not a lot, but we get email, which is very important, so we can promote to these people other offers. So we build our mailing list, which is very important, and at the same time we make some sale and we create new customers. Okay, and the bottom there is the footer. There are policies pages like privacy policy, terms of service, and earnings disclaimer. All these are done for you. You don't need to do anything. If I have done the setup for you, then you don't really need to do anything. If you do the setup yourself, you didn't pay for me for the setup, then you have just to change some things to add your brand and your company name. Of course, I have video to show you how to do exactly this. Otherwise, I have done for you if you pay for the setup, and don't worry, you don't need to do anything. Here is the logo. If you click the logo, always it brings you in the home page. I have some quick links so you can navigate easier. Then some the safe payments and the SSL secure to give some credibility on the site. And here there is a promo banner for the lifetime access to 150 video courses. There is a membership setup on the site. If you have paid the premium package, you get this membership setup, and you will have and your customers will have the option to get with one simple payment access to all courses. I think this is a very good offer, and you should promote this offer. Okay, if you click it here, you go to the membership page that we'll see now. We'll go to the next parts on the menu. We'll see actually the membership a little bit later. First I will show the register. So here somebody can register. No, sorry, I didn't show you the courses. First is the courses. We're on the home page now. Now we're going on the courses. So the courses, if you click here or here or here, you go to the courses page where I showed you before. I'll show you again. So here you can see and filter and search all the courses. And there are pages here. You can go to the next page to see courses. Alright, and let's close. And here you can just go on specific categories. Alright, next one is register. You can register as a student or as an instructor. I just told you about the instructor registration. The student registration is simply you can register and you can pay and watch courses. Next, dashboard. Here you can see the profile, the account, how many courses are enrolled. Let's show you shortly. For example, the dashboard. You can see some info. You can have my profile, enrolled courses, wish list, reviews, and more things. As an instructor, you have, if you are an instructor, you have also a section here, instructor. You can see my courses as an instructor, announcements, withdrawals, if you withdraw money. Okay, and here, if you are not an instructor, it will say become an instructor. Now, because I am an instructor on this site, it says create a new course. Okay, for the students that are not instructors, we'll say become an instructor. Okay, continue, and you can log out here. Next is the membership. So let's click on membership. It brings us on the membership levels. So a person here actually have created this sales page to help you sell the membership. This page alone will cost $200 because it's a page with 10 sections. You can easily pay $200 just for this page. You get it with a premium package without extra cost. So if somebody if it's a member already, can log in here, but if not, can read all the info and go to buy the membership. So you can click here. You can change anything you want in the page. You can change prices, you can change text. If you add more products, for example, you will say 151 or 160 or anything. So everything is editable, and I show you with a video about how to edit use and edit with Elementor later, so you can edit this page, okay, if you want. There is the money back guarantee, there is FAQs for this for the membership. Here I have a section that can be a note from the founder if you want to add your image and your name, or a note from a team, and here we add your logo. Depends how you want, if you want to add your image or just the logo and write team instead of founder. If you don't want to add the name, here can be your name, it will be actually your name. And the last one is we say to visitors to join now, and if they click join now, they go to choose a membership to join now. Okay, this is the membership page, and here you can see the account, profile, billing, actually what has to do with the membership. Here you can see what's the level, if there is membership. At this moment I don't have a membership level active for this website, and you can see the info here, the email, username. Okay, let's continue. Then we have the affiliates. On the affiliates, if you have the premium package, you have also the affiliate program set up. And if we click on the affiliates, there is also a page created for this. It gives some info. It's asking the people and suggesting to become affiliates and earn 50% commissions. I think 50% is very good. The more you give, the more possibilities you have to somebody to become affiliate on you and promote your site and your store. It doesn't cost you anything. If somebody brings you a sale of 77, let's say the membership, and you get $77 and you give the 50%, it doesn't cost you anything. You just got free money. Okay, so give 50% to attract affiliates. You can choose what you want. You can give 40, but I suggest to not give less than 40% commission. Okay, here will be your name, or if you make the setup yourself, you will see on the videos what you have to do. Otherwise, if I make the setup, everything will be set up for you. We're asking to become an affiliate. If you are an affiliate already, you just click here. Some info, some FAQs are regarding the affiliate program, the email here, and again the buttons. Alright, then we have the affiliate registration. Here there is a form. The people who want to become affiliates will fill out this form, and you have the right to, as an admin, to approve the application or reject it. Okay, it will have a notification on your dashboard, but also you will get an email that somebody has applied to become an affiliate. Okay, and next we have the affiliate login. Alright, it shows here it says here that already an affiliate, go to affiliate portal. Okay, so I am an affiliate, so if I click go to affiliate portal, so here it says already an affiliate. Go to affiliate portal. You click and you go to affiliate portal if you are already an affiliate. If you are not an affiliate, the page can detect this, can understand if you are not registered as an affiliate, and it will show you a button to become an affiliate. Okay, so I have set up it like that to understand if you are already an affiliate or not. So it shows a different button if you are an affiliate, or a different button if you are not an affiliate, and asking you to become an affiliate. Okay, so continue. Here you see the cart, if there are products on the cart, and the search. You can search also for a course from here on the header. Okay, let me see. I don't see something else to show you at this moment for this overview. I will end this video here, and on the next video I will show you the dashboard, admin dashboard, where you can manage everything on the site. It's more complex than the front end, but after the video you will understand how it works. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.